Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be uploading part three of the historic draft rebuild. So, anyways, where we left off, we're picking our draft class. Let's get right into it. I'm excited for this one. Um, we're not picking anyone from the 3 or above because we do not want to get repeat players. So anyways, I got my eyes closed, and we'll be stopping in 3, 2, 1. 1999. So we got the 1996 draft class, and now we're on the 1999. So we're going to be. Oh wait, no, we gotta go to training camps. We're just trying to send Kobe to the best, the best things as possible. So we're gonna send Kobe Bryant to rebounding, my bad, and send Kobe to perimeter shooting. Oh, we can't. Let's just send Brandon Clark to perimeter shooting. His Brandon Clark's 3-point will be a 91. That is clutch. So let's see what this draft class is. I do not know. Lamar Odom does not look like a big one. Baron Davis. Yeah, Steve Francis. Yeah, not a big one. Sean Marion. Richard Hamilton. Yeah, not a big one. And Lamar Odom's obviously pretty good, but he's not like insane or anything. So this is what the roster looks like. Not bad. I actually really like our roster. Curry is obviously the star, but I think the thing that this team needs is that second star to come in. Because you're not gonna win a championship with only Curry. I mean, our team is really deep. Like we have like 7 players that are starter worthy. I like how Danny Turner's developing. It's 23 and a 77 overall. I like it. Let's make our own trade. So let's simulate one game and see what our roster looks like. So we lost to the Raptors. Not a good sign. Curry, point, shooting guard. So this starting lineup is completely fine. But now off our bench, so we need to get deeper and we need to get a second star. And we have a ton of picks, remember. So these two are fine. We need a backup center, shooting guard, and point. Okay, let's go. Okay. So proposed trade. Let's see our starters again. Oh, let's make our how do I go to coach game plan? No, not scrimmage. God dang it. Accidentally clicked scrimmage. I'm trying to make Curry our #1 scoring option. That will definitely help us. Honestly, I could see Curry winning MVP this year if we make him our #1 scoring option. Because I'm trying to win the chip this year. We'll probably be good, you know? Hopefully Kobe makes a big jump. He had a pretty good rookie season last year. Wait. No, it wasn't his rookie season last year. It was second season last year, I think. Was it? No, this last year was his rookie season. So yeah, hopefully he takes a big jump. Coach game plan. Now, no. Huh. I cannot figure out how to make him our #1 scoring option. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So, let's, like I was saying, so our worst positions on our starting lineup are small forward and center. So that's who we will be targeting. I think I know who I want to go get. Oh, this is mind the draft. We could go for Drummond. I wouldn't mind that. So I think we might go for Cat. Yo, here, let's go to Team Intel. Where's Team Intel? There. Rebuild mode. Who do they have? Do they have anyone good? They have Jonathan Isaac. We could go after him. And they're in rebuild mode. We might go after Jonathan Isaac. Rebuild mode for them. Rebuild mode. Oh, they have Kyrie Irving. Yo. We already have Curry though. That sucks. Okay. They have Harden. Yo, Harden's only a 92 overall. What? Yo, we might go for Kyrie Irving and then trade him. They have Shea. My gosh. They have Clyde Drexler. We might go for Don. No, he isn't. Okay. I think we're going to go for Kyrie Irving and then trade him. So, we're just going to give them a ton of picks. So, I forgot what team he's on. Oh, there he is. So, he's on the Pistons. Who matches up with him money-wise? I don't think we have anyone that really does. Can we take on cap space? So, we'll throw him OG and Cousins. Does that work out? It does not. We'll throw him Jared Allen and we'll throw him... Well, OG... Okay, I don't want to give up 2 of our young pieces for someone who... Okay, here. I know what we're going to do. We're going to go after Andre Drummond. We'll give you Cousins. He's making 27. That's not good. No, we'll give you Jared Allen. And then we'll also throw you Cousins. You want to do this. Hold on, let's do something real quick. Let's make Jared Allen power forward so he goes up to an 86. Who's our power forward? Okay. So proposed trade. We'll give you Jared Allen, who's closer over, and we'll give you Cousins. Will they just do that? Okay. We didn't even have to give up any picks. We got Andre Drummond, who, look, whenever you change him to a power forward, he's a 90 overall. It's a killer. We got a Brandon Clark. We're gonna keep him at. We might keep him to trade him, to get like a really good person. So let's put him and then like a pick, and then this pick, and see what we can get. Hopefully, we can get some really good. Like, what is this, dude? This is a terrible trade. I would never do that. Jaren Jackson Jr. Bam. I got Bam in the other video, so I won't trade for him again. De'Aaron Fox. Kristaps. Okay, Ooh. Think we might do that one. Okay, boys. We're going to trade for Karl Anthony Towns. That's a really big dub. Confirm change. Okay, so we will go into our roster. Boom. Okay, we have our 2 stars. Now let's look at now let's simulate a date. Have CPU just rotation. Now let's focus on getting deeper. So this is our starting lineup now. Upgrades. We can't center. Sorry, we're not doing it. Let's try and trade for Bam. Oh, actually, no. Let's try to trade for No. There he is. Okay. We'll give you Brandon Clark. He's on a huge contract. Can we take in Jared Allen? No. Okay, we gotta trade for a center who's on a low contract. Marcus Camby. I don't know who this is. He might have been a rookie last year. Bull. We need to make up 8 mil. Do we have anyone that's making 8 mil on our roster? No. Okay, I think I know what to do. I think I know what the move is. Where's that Camby dude? There. Then I'm fine with this. Now I need to get deeper. So I'm gonna throw in the trade finder. You and see if anyone will give us a pick. A first rounder right there. First rounder right there. First rounder right there. Okay, I think we might do the first trade offer. Okay, we'll do this. So now we have a pick. Now let's trade finder. We're kind of throwing away our future, if I'm being honest. Let's throw Trey Burke and you in the trade finder. No way someone gets us a pick for these two. I'll do that. Oh, there's a pick. I think I'm gonna do that first trade though. It's a really good trade. Yeah, I'm doing this one. I'm gonna make him power forward. Okay. So we'll put you at power forward. That'll make you an 82. Wait, what? Oh, I was looking at his layup and 71. Come on, dude. You are 6'9". Your layup's a 71. That is sad. Okay, now what do we need? So let's look at our coach game plan. So we need a power forward. No. We need a point guard, shooting guard, and center. So let's put Marcus Camby in a first rounder. And see if we can. Okay, there's a good Kobe White. Oh my god, that might be the. Yeah, we're doing this. I'll tell you right now, we're doing that trade. Oh. It's a really good trade. Yeah, it's a really good trade. Yeah, I think I'm doing the, yeah, I'm doing that. Wait, okay, he's not really. Okay, so now we'll trade finder, the power forward we just got, 82 overall. So we need a shooting guard, point guard, center. We'll do that. Sorry for not looking at the other trades. That's a really good trade. So now we'll trade this dude. Oh, my bad. Trade findering this dude and this pick from the Kings. And we need a point guard or center. We might do that one. We'll probably end up doing this one. It's really good trade. Okay. Yeah. Where's the Marcus Camby one? Dude, we will probably win the chip this year if I'm being honest. Okay, let's there. Now, coach game plan. So our starting lineup: point guard Curry, shooting guard Kobe, small forward OG, power forward Karl Anthony Towns, center Marcus Camby. Off the bench we have Brandon Clark, Chris Bocher, Matisse Thybulle, Danny Turner, and then we're just not playing this guy. So I guess, whoa, we have 2 power forwards. We're going to trade this dude for a center. No, we'll just make him a center. No, because he's only 6'9". Yeah, okay, so we're going to trade this dude for a center. Let's see who's in free agency, if there's anyone we can pick up. Duncan Robinson's a free agent right now. Let's go after this dude, Tony Bradley. Yeah. Okay, so we have our center now, and then let's just... Who do we need to trade for again? A point guard. Yeah, we need to trade this dude for a point guard. Let's get a good point guard. Come on, get us a good point guard, boys. That's what we want. Eric Pascal, he's good. Yeah. I wonder how tall Eric Pascal is. Come on, give us like Derrick Rose. We could go Kendrick Nunn. Monte Morris. No, I don't want to do that. Jermaine O'Neal. Here, I'm gonna go out and try to trade for D Rose. Where's the player finder? There's last name Rose. And the reason I'm trading for Rose is normally he's pretty decent in 2K. And no, you're on crack. Cat, we'll give you Chris Bocher. And no, we're not going to trade for you. Okay, we just need to get a point guard. That's all we want. We'll just put in Chris Boucher, and then I guess we'll trade for like this dude. And we get a first. Yeah, I guess we'll just trade for this dude. Okay. So, let's simulate through this Cavs game. We win against the Cavs. Okay. So, this is our starting lineup. I love it. We got 2 stars in Cat and Curry. And then Kobe will be a star. We have OG and Marcus Camby, who will do us good. Then off the bench, we have a 6-man candidate. I bet he'll be. Marcus Morris is on fire. You love to see it. We're going to lower Brandon Clark's minutes by 5 so we can throw in Tony Bradley some minutes. There. No, wait. We need to put down Matisse's and give Marcus more. Now, we'll take you away and then do that. Oh, no. We want you to have... There. So, I really like that. And then, yeah. So... in between episodes, I'll send this season. Real quick, I'm going to player mentorship Danny Turner with Stephen Curry. We'll give him acrobat. We're gonna make this guy just an offensive threat, dude. Like, Pro Touch Hall of Fame. And we'll give him catch and shoot. There. So Curry's just like gonna teach him how to shoot. And then so in between videos, I will send the season and make Stephen Curry our #1 scoring option. Actually, no. Actually, I don't know. I might. Okay, well, anyways, guys, if you like this video, this is probably one of my favorite videos in this series so far. If you like this video, leave a like. Comment down below. Tell me what you want to see me do. If you want to have some players that you want me to trade for. Anyways, have a great